Hello and welcome to one more tutorial. Here on our website you can see all the tutorials. If you don't see a tutorial there, let us know, we will do it for you. This one is how to make a withdrawal. So I'm going to log in here into my account and we go straight to wallet and withdraw. So what I'm going to do is I have 0.05 available. I'm going to withdraw the minimum, which is 0.001. Oh, sorry. I have to put here 0.001. And here I have to put my wallet. And here I put the second factor code. There is a tutorial on how to activate into your second factor code. So first you have to activate that and then you can do any withdrawal or transfer. So let's try. I'm waiting for the numbers to generate and then I'll put the second factor code here and click make withdraw, and that's it. Very simple. $947-826, and then I click make a withdraw. That's it. Withdraw request successful. Now it's appearing here at the bottom and it's still pending. And you see here the amount is 0.001. Let's check how much is that right now. $32.54. So the minimum to withdraw, the minimum to invest is 0.001. That's it. Now we just wait. They take 5% fee, so this is what I will be paid. I will be paid $30.91. Thank you.